Welcome back to our channel. In this phase, we'll talk about submitting plans, obtaining permits, and everything homeowners need to know before construction begins. Step 2. Submitting plans and obtaining permits. Once the homeowner has approved the final architectural plan, the next step is preparing the full set of permit-ready drawings for submission to the county. This isn't just the floor plan anymore. At this stage, our design team will complete full architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing drawings. These detailed plans show exactly how the new space will be built, including load-bearing walls, roof or beam modifications, electrical circuits, plumbing lines, and HVAC changes. Our team ensures that everything meets building codes and county requirements, so the project can pass inspection once construction begins. Once the architectural drawings are completed, we submit the full plan package to Fairfax County for review. After we submit the plans, county reviewers go through every detail. They make sure the drawings meet all local building codes, zoning rules, setback requirements. If everything meets code, the county will issue the building permit. If something doesn't meet the requirements, the county will send comments explaining what needs to be corrected or changed. We then update the drawings and resubmit them. This review process usually takes 1 to 3 months, depending on how many revisions the county requests. A little back and forth is completely normal until the plans are fully approved. Timeline. Depending on the complexity of the project, this process typically takes 1 to 3 months, sometimes shorter for simpler projects and longer for complex renovations or additions. Note, for each type of permit, building, plumbing, mechanical, electrical, or gas, the homeowner pays a permit fee to the county. These fees vary depending on the project size and scope. Common mistakes homeowners make. Assuming the permit will be issued immediately. Delays are normal and often out of the homeowner's control. Making design changes after submission. These usually require resubmission and can add weeks to the process. Not verifying which permits are needed. Missing a permit can stop construction and lead to fines. By working closely with the contractor during this phase, homeowners can avoid delays, reduce surprises, and keep the project moving smoothly. Once Fairfax County approves the permits, construction can begin, knowing the project is fully legal, safe, and ready to build. Why homeowners choose DC Home Edition and Home Remodeling. Looking for a reliable, stress-free contractor who delivers quality and value? We specialize in home additions, full remodels, kitchens, bathrooms, and complete design-build projects, making your project smooth, organized, and worry-free. Call us at 703-980-3266 or book your free virtual consultation in the description. We'll review your project, answer questions, and guide you on the next steps at no cost. Top reasons homeowners choose us: free design consultation, transparent itemized estimates, licensed and insured in DC, Maryland, and Virginia, permit and inspection handling, dedicated project manager, 3D design and visualization, high-quality craftsmanship, on-time, on-budget completion, clean, organized job sites, 100% satisfaction guarantee. We take pride in every detail because we treat your home like our own. In step 3, we'll get the site ready, take care of any demolition needed, and start the framing. Make sure to check out our next video to see how it all comes together. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next step in our project journey.